Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Animals found in coldest region. Animals found in coldest region. Polar bears are one of the largest bear species that thrive in extremely cold weather conditions. Snow owls have a snow white plumage that helps them to camouflage in the snow in order to hunt. Penguins are flightless aquatic birds that are expert divers. They are mainly found in the southern hemisphere. Beluga whale is one of the smallest whale species. It is known for being kind and playful with arctic fox are really small fox that have a unique type of fur that changes color in different seasons. Arctic here are cute looking creatures that have a white fur which makes them blend in snow. Arctic tern is an Arctic bird known for completing one of the largest migration routes from the Arctic to an Antarctic region. Reindeer are also known for thriving in cold weather conditions. They have eyes that change color during different seasons. Muskox are giant creatures that live in the frozen Arctic. They have an extremely thick fur. Snow leopards are creatures found in high altitude regions.